The inequality of wealth. The inequality of wealth does not come from one cause alone. Differences in talent, energy, judgment, and opportunity play a part, but wealth may also come from fraud, theft, violence, or injustice. So wealth is not proof of merit, and inheritance cannot always be assumed to have a just origin. The moral issue is not only what is legal or outwardly successful. Even honestly gained wealth may show unhealthy attachment to riches. Human beings judge by appearances, but God judges intentions. Inherited wealth and responsibility. Those who inherit a fortune are not automatically guilty of the wrongs by which it was first gathered, especially if they know nothing of them. Still, inherited wealth may place a person under a serious duty. It can be a chance to repair an old injustice, and what matters most is the use made of it. Wealth after death. A person remains morally responsible for how property is left behind. Even when the law allows a certain choice, that does not remove moral accountability. Property may be distributed with more justice or less justice, and each choice has consequences. Is absolute equality of wealth possible? Absolute equality of wealth is not possible. People differ in character, intelligence, perseverance, and judgment, so outward conditions cannot remain exactly the same for all. Even if equal wealth were established for a time, human differences and changing circumstances would soon upset it. The real social evil is not inequality itself, but selfishness. No system can cure society, while selfishness remains in the human heart. Well-being and justice. Although equal wealth is impossible, a fair sharing of well-being is possible. Well-being does not mean everyone has the same amount. It means each person can live usefully according to their nature and abilities. A natural balance exists, but human selfishness and injustice disturb it. Real social harmony depends on justice, poverty, fault, and social responsibility. Some fall into poverty through their own actions. Even then, society still has responsibility. Society is often the deeper cause when it neglects the moral education of its members. If people are not taught justice, duty, self-control, and respect for others, their faults grow and later produce suffering. Wealth, poverty, inheritance, and social order cannot be judged only by appearances or by law. Their true measure is justice, intention, responsibility, and the use made of what one has received.